Mastering screen sharing and presentation skills on video calls. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in our English language learning series. Today, we are going to talk about a vital component of proper video call etiquette, screen sharing and presentation skills. With the increasing use of video calls for meetings and discussions, these skills have become essential in our daily communications. Screen sharing is a powerful tool that allows us to share our computer screen with others on a video call. It can be extremely useful for presentations, demonstrations, or collaborating on a project. However, there are a few key points to keep in mind when using this feature. 1. Always prepare beforehand. Make sure you have all the files, websites, or documents you want to share ready before you start the call. 2. Clean up your screen. Close all unrelated tabs or applications. Remove any sensitive or private information from your screen. 3. Inform before sharing. Always let others know that you are about to share your screen. Next, we will delve into presentation skills specific to video calls. Here are some tips to make your presentations more effective. 1. Speak clearly and slowly. Remember, clarity is more important than speed. It's essential to ensure everyone can understand what you are saying. 2. Be concise. Keep your sentences short and straightforward. Don't overcomplicate things. 3. Use visual aids. Incorporating relevant visuals can make your presentation more engaging and easier to understand. 4. Ask for feedback. It's always a good idea to pause occasionally and ask if everyone is following along. Multitasking during screen sharing can be tricky, but it's a skill worth mastering. Here are some suggestions. 1. Be mindful of notifications. Try to put your device on Do Not Disturb mode to prevent any distracting pop-ups. 2. Be cautious when navigating. When you navigate between files or tabs, do it slowly to avoid causing confusion or discomfort to the viewers. 3. Pause when needed. If you need to do something unrelated, stop sharing your screen, do what's necessary, and then resume sharing. There you have it, a quick guide to screen sharing and presentation skills on video calls. We hope these tips help you navigate your next video call more confidently and professionally. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't be afraid to try these out in your next meeting. See you in the next video.